Hey guys, how's it going? This is your boy Alex. Today in this video, I want to show you guys how to set up your email list, an email sequence, and how to set up your tags inside of Groovemail controlled by Groovefunnels. So let's go ahead and get started really quick. Minimize this really quick. Turn around, minimize it. So the first thing you guys gonna do, you guys are to go inside your Groovefunnels members area. And in case you guys don't have Groovefunnels, guys, feel free to click the link down below so that way you guys can get Groovefunnels with all my really exclusive bonuses. So never mind that, let's keep on going. So once you guys are inside of Groovefunnels, you guys are going to click on this tab that says email marketing. Once you guys are inside of email marketing, you guys are going to go to your left side and click on leads. And the first thing we're going to do is make a list. So we're going to click right here where it says new list. And let's name this one, I don't know, laptops, right? Laptops and laptops. Let's go ahead and create that list, which is thing number 1 to be done. Now thing number 2 to be done, we're gonna go ahead and actually tag people. So as soon as somebody, so when somebody actually opts in your funnel and they provide you their first name and their email address, you're going to acquire the information, and now that person is going to be tagged by whatever we're going to do it right here. So for instance, laptop, right? So our funnel was about laptops. So once they provide their information to us, we know that person came in through our funnel that talks all about laptops, right? So let me go ahead and flip this around, minimize this. And the reason, guys, once again, we do this so that way we can track everybody who has come through different funnels. So we're going to name this tag, what was it again? Laptops. Category, I believe I already created a category and just named it itself laptops. Where is it? Right here, laptops. Create a tag, boom. And the next thing we have to go ahead and create is campaigns. So I'm going to go campaigns, sequence, new sequence, and here's where we're going to build out our email sequence for this customer that wanted to know exactly about laptops. So let's name this one laptops, create a sequence. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. So let me go ahead and right click right here in this tab, make a duplicate. I'm gonna go ahead and exit from this screen, and let me go ahead and go on forms. What's a form? I'm glad that you asked. Now, first of all, what are we going to name the form? Laptops. We're going to go ahead and click save. So what exactly is the form, Alex? This is what the form looks like. What is it? It's pretty much where somebody's going to type in their first name and email address. And this is very important. And I'm going to show you guys why in a quick second. So we want to require their first name, email. I mean, if you guys want to go a little bit more above and beyond to capture more of their, more of them, you guys can definitely go ahead and do it right here. All you gotta do is just click something right here, click save, and it'll auto populate right here, but we're not gonna do that for right now for the purposes of this video. I want to make sure it's short, quick, and simple. So from this point on, we're gonna go ahead and click save and next right over here. We don't want to do double opt-in, we just want to keep it sweet, short, and simple. So single opt-in, we're gonna go ahead and click save and next. Welcome email settings, no, we don't want to do that for right now, so we're going to go ahead and click don't send and save and next. Always click save and next, guys. So right here, we already created a list. We're going to go and click on laptops. We're going to go ahead and add it right over here, save and next. Oh, sorry, let me go back to phase number 4. So we clicked on, so they're going to subscribe to this list, which is laptops. Now we're going to go over here where it says tags. Yes, we want to sign to a tag. Once again, we want to do laptops. Select right here, laptops, add. We're going to go right here where it says sequence. Yes to sequence. And yes, we did create it. So laptops, add. Always save and next, guys. So this form just got updated with the little changes I did in phase 4. So we're going to click on JavaScript code. And this is the code that we're actually going to use in a quick second. So let me just go ahead and copy for right now. Copy. Let me go back to the Groovemail. So once again, there's the new sequence. This is the email sequence that we're doing. So in order to fire out an email sequence, we got to add triggers. What are the triggers? Tags, laptops, list laptops, form laptops. Pretty much the same thing, so that way everything can be congruent. I'm gonna go ahead and click done. So anybody that, oh, tags, why didn't that work? Let me go to edit, laptops. Okay, that is very strange. List laptops, I did that twice. Okay guys, I guess right here, laptops, let me see, let me go ahead and do that one more time. Laptops, oh, there we go, laptops. Done. Okay, boom, beautiful. So as soon as somebody opts in to our form, which is to capture their first name and email address, they're going to be under the list of laptops, and they're also going to be tagged in laptops, right? And that's the form that we created. So all these are right here. So as soon as they opt in, we're going to go ahead and trigger, we're going to send out an email immediately. So right here, let's just name this one hello laptop. That was bad. Laptop buddy. Just buddy. Sup, dude? Or you can, instead of typing in dude, you guys can actually put first name, right? And then from this point out, once again, of course, my gateway is Groovemail, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Groovemail. That's my name. Everything looks good. So I'm actually going to test this out on myself too right now. And then from right here, we go to send status. We're going to go ahead and activate it. Are you guys seeing me? No. Okay, awesome. So you guys are going to click on active to activate the status. We're going to click done, and that is already active, right? So from this point on, we're done with this. And once again, guys, always click save on everything, right? So we're going to go ahead and click save. But before I do that, let's say if you guys want to send out more emails, you guys can definitely do that right here. Just click on emails, and it's going to open up another one. All you guys can do is just fill up your information right here. But let's say if you guys want to have a delayed email, just come over to this section where it says timing. Click it right here. So let's say, for instance, let me go ahead and switch up the sequence right here. So let's do a hypothetical, right? So as soon as I opt into this one, this email right here is going to fire out immediately because I have no delay, right? So now let's say I want this email to be fired out tomorrow. So what I want to do, since I'm on time delay, and I can see that right here on time delay, I'm going to go ahead and click add a trigger. So I want this to wait, maybe to send out this email right here. I want to wait maybe an hour, right? All I got to do is just send status. It's already activated. Click done. So right after this email that's going to be shoot out immediately is going to wait 1 hour in order to send this next email. And you guys pretty much understand the logical progression with this, right? So there you go. So now from this point on, we're going to go ahead and click save. And now we're going to go to Groovefunnels. I'm going to click on new site. And for the purpose of this video, I just don't want to create I don't want to start from scratch, so I'm just going to click on one super, yeah, just sure, why not? Let's go ahead and use that one. So laptops, start building. Now give it a couple of seconds, guys, so that way it can upload really quick. Now, how do we embed that form that we just had really quick, right? So what we're going to do, let me go ahead and just delete this one. There's no purpose for me for having that button right there. So right here, you guys are going to go to your left side. You guys are going to go to elements. Scroll down to the bottom. Now, even though it says form right here, you guys are not going to choose any of these. You guys actually can go a little bit further down, and where it says others, code embedded, and just slap it right there. Just drag and drop it right there. Now, inside of here, you guys are going to go ahead and click on it. Click on this little gear right over here, and just paste the code that we copied earlier. We're going to click save. And now the reason it looks like this, guys, is because we're still inside of we're still building the website out. So let me go ahead and click save. Let me go right here where it says publish, and let me just give it a really weird name. Publish, so that way it can be live right now. Site publish in progress, so it's going to take a couple of minutes. So this, I added too many use. Let me just do 3 use, publish. So if I'm not mistaken, this right here is going to be the URL link. So let me go ahead and publish it one more time. And let me see if it's live already. Okay, it's not live. Okay, so maybe if I click right here on this little I button, it's a preview of what this site is actually going to look like when a visitor comes and, you know, paste it. When they click on your link, this is actually going to look like. And the visit, once again, when somebody comes into your funnel, this is exactly what they're going to look like, right? So now we type in our information right here. Let me use email. Let me use that one. First name, let me just go test 1.0. I already got my email pulled up right here, so let me go ahead and refresh this screen so that way you guys can see it's actually working. I'm crossing my fingers that it actually works. Let me hit submit. So anytime soon, I should be getting an email from myself. It's probably gonna take a couple of seconds, guys. Let me refresh it. Go right here. Maybe do one last time refresh. Okay, it could possibly be inside my spam folder. Oh, there we go. So yeah, hello laptop buddy. Sup, test 1. Yep, this is what we did, guys. As you guys can see, guys, it was, we actually pulled it off. We actually pulled it off, which is super awesome, super great. And now if you guys have Groovefunnels, or maybe perhaps if you didn't know how to, you know, set up the form so that we can acquire people's first name as well as their email address, this is the way you guys do it. Just follow it step by step, and you guys will actually be able to do what I just did right now. And we're just testing it out. Once again, guys, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys want some really awesome bonuses, if you guys don't have Groovefunnels and want to get Groovefunnels, feel free to click the link down below and I'll provide some really awesome bonuses, okay? That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot, and you guys have a great day, okay? And see you guys to the next one. You guys have a good one. Peace out.